So we have the board off, and it is pretty beat up. And I'm really glad I'm removing it. If you think about it, the most important board on your roof could be argued to be this board right here. And if too much wind starts pulling off your roof, this is not good. Plus, if you fasten anything here, you just need a good board. You need all the boards really good, but this is an important one because all this molding is also connected to this board. Maybe it doesn't rely on this board in this case, which is good, but it's just good to know you have a really solid roof with good boards. So here we have some major cleanup to do. I'm going to go get a mask on. We even have a pigeon or a squirrel here, dead, a carcass. And you can see the square nail that I pulled out. This was going through this molding here. And then we have this, which, oh, that's interesting. We have a battery. Yeah, so who knows how long that's been here. So let's do a little cleanup, get a mask on, and maybe a whisk broom, and yeah, vacuum cleaner would be great, but I don't have one portable like that. So we're going to clean up the best we can, and then we'll get a measurement, and then we need to get a board, and then we need to re-nail all these boards. The rest of them are pretty solid. There's a little bit of shakiness in some, but if they get re-nailed, they'll be good. And think these have been on here a long time. Let's see. Well, the carriage house probably 1874 or before. Actually, probably before, because this was considered a barn. Okay, cleanup time. And this will be good kindling wood here.